Hi guys, good morning. Ako'y paalis na papunta ng simbahan. Okay. Luna, bye-bye. So guys, wala akong susi sa bahay. Okay. Guys, labas na tayo at ako'y punta na. Dito tayo ng elevator. Tada! Ay, tama-tama. Matig si Kuya. Ayun na si Kuya. Morning, Kuya.
بالله على السلامة.
Brad.
I did not see you after the bombing. How much you were here, ما هيك؟
Yeah, oh my God, very scary, Kuya.
You were not here?
We are here in my home. Oh my
Too
God.
much, eh?
Too much more. Like also the house of my madam was shaking also. Ay, this
في
one.
glasses she destroyed. God.
All. I think there is a guys, dito na ako kay Kuya. Taxi. Nagsakay na ako dito. Punta ako ng simbahan.
You going to church?
Yes, Kuya.
The embassy are coming here between 1 and 4 if you want to pay the OWA. Embassy.
When?
I'm coming to church between 1 and 4.
Ah, wala. Ah.
Somebody told me.
Sa simbahan.
قم بالترقية إلى بريدجستون اليوم.
Guys, dito na ako sa simbahan. Sa labas pa ng simbahan. Dito na ako. Nadaan mo na ako kay Mama Mel. Ayan si Mama Mel. Doon mo na kay Mama Mary bago pumasok ng simbahan. Pasok natin sa simbahan.
Finally, I'll be your undivided affection. Okay? So today is Good Shepherd Sunday. So I know who are Cebuanos at Visayas here? Kasi mga Bisaya, asa ka to? Ayaw mo ka na. Okay. Yes. I'd like to ask the Visayas. Okay, so when you spell the word shepherd, S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D. So, but when you pronounce it, something in that word or in the spelling is pronounced silently. Okay, so which is the correct pronunciation?
Shepherd.
Shepherd
No,
or
shepherd.
shepherd?
Shepherd. Shepherd.
Shepherd or with PH or shepherd?
Shepherd.
Sige. May narinig ako ng halo-halo. Shepherd. Right?
Si Bisaya.
Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Ang tama mo lang sa isang shepherd. Silent H sa PH. Okay? So don't worry. That's why I was asking who are the Cebuanos or Visayas here. I'm even preaching in front of people and I will say shepherd. It's not shepherd. Okay? But just for you to be
Parehas
informed,
natin,
it's
my heart pitches.
silent H, shepherd.
Ganda, oh.
Di magod na. Kaya nasa middle na sila.
Nakabidyo ka, nakabidyo.
Wa, no, bukto na to. Bukto na to.
It's shepherd. Okay? So, this is so if we're talking about the good shepherd, it's important also to know about the sheep. Okay? So, ito sheep, hindi shepherd. Okay? Okay. Mali po ito dati. So, don't worry. It's a time. Alright? You know the Cebuanos or the Visayas, the heart is being made strong. No? And the soul becomes hard. Okay? There's nothing to be ashamed of. That's our identity. It's okay. Right? So, sheep, when we talk about sheep, let's learn about trivia about sheep. Okay? So what are qualities of a sheep? So, first, do you know that a sheep has a rectangular eyes? No?
Really?
When you look at the eyes, syempre, yung mata natin, itim na lahat. But for those, the eyes is the one inside the world that controls the input and inflow of light. So the eyes of a sheep is rectangular. Okay? Rectangular. And it can see, no? 270 degrees to 320 yung peripheral vision. Imagine that. No? Kung sa Bisaya pa, himantayon pa.
Si Brenda.
Why? They have 30 degrees, no? Peripheral vision because they are animals of prey or they are prey animals. So they are
Branches mo sa.
targets of predators or and the breaching after breaking the leg when the sheep is trying to recuperate it doesn't walk far so it will stay close to the shepherd until it heals. The shepherd, no? Kung ikaw sasaktan ka ng amo mo, mamahalin mo ba yung amo mo? Bakit na hindi? See? That's the better interpretation. But the point is, the good shepherd, no matter how many times you stray away, no, he will look for you. He will look and search for you and bring you back to his fold. And in today's gospel, he says, the good shepherd is willing to lay down his life for his sheep. The hired workers will run away at the slightest hint of danger. If he sees beasts out there, he will run away to lead the sheep, and the beast will devour the sheep. But the good shepherd will fight back and will lay down his life for his sheep. So what is the message here for all of us, brothers and sisters, guys? That our God will never get tired of taking good care of you. Return. And I need not look far. The perfect example of this in our human experience are the love of the parents, especially mothers. Have you observed that if you have many children, if one of your child is sick, you would pay close
Pronounce
ang Diyos, hindi kita maliligtasan. Hindi ka na sa patay. It's a song about God's love. No? Pero ginamit lang sa patay madalas. Ang Father Manuel Francisco composed
Yan, Father Henry yan.
to remind people how great the love of God is, greater than the love of a mother, greater than the love of a mother who is willing to sacrifice everything, like what you are doing. You work here in Lebanon no matter how dangerous it is. You work hard. You left the comforts of your home for your children, for the people you love. You sacrifice. You give up something important because that's how much you love them. But remember, God's love is greater. Imagine that He is willing to sacrifice.
Palakpakan. So kaya tapos na ang misa, ako yung uuwi. Lakad-lakad konti. Dito muna ako sa ano, sa palengke. Gulay, oh. Ade kamote. How much? Mahal pa yan. Ang mahal na kamote guys. 250 lira. Muna. Mahal man. Saraw kayo guys.
Ano yun na?
Hawakan mo, sandali lang. Yung dinagdagan take out. Dito ako sa kanin. Ano mo? Kano sa karyoka? Karyoka ba?
Okay, okay guys. Okay, okay. Wala man mong kaila din. Muli na. Sige kaya ako uuwi na rin. Limlim ang langit. Baka uulan. Ako'y uuwi na. Uulan. Doon ako kakain sa ano. Maghanap akong pagkain. Kakain na lang ako bago ko uuwi. Doon ako sa lamasan. See you to my YouTube. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Sexy na siya. Sexy na, Brenda. Ay, sexy na. Inat-inat yung bukton. Ayun, nasiksi na siya.
Na to siya. Ano to na? Okay ko. Kinag-um.
Picture tabi ari din.
Sakay, sir.
Picture ta. Ito yung mag-jeep ko ron.
Jeep. Mag-jeep ka?
Mag-bus ba?
Alam, multi ka.
So, dito na ako sa bus. Ako'y sasakay na. Dito ba sa Dalit kaya? Ang init kaya.